Which of the following mapping is a function? This is a multiple choice question, and so we will solve the question, and then after that we will pick the correct option. We have 3 different mappings here, and the question wants us to find which one of them is a function. A mapping is considered to be a function when a point produces only one image. I'll repeat that. A mapping is considered to be a function when a point produces only one image. So for the 3 different mappings that we have, we will check for the ones where the point produces only one image. Let's pick the first one. When we pick the first one, we can see that point 1 produces an image A. Point 2 produces an image A. Point 3 produces an image B. So each point produces just one image. So the first one is a function. Let's go to the second one. Point P produces the image C. Point Q produces the image C. And point R produces the image C. Here too, you can see that each point produces just one image. So this one is also a function. Now let's consider the last one. Point X produces the image D, but point Y produces 2 images. The first one is E and the second one is F. We know that a mapping is considered to be a function when a point produces only one image. When we check the point Y, it produces 2 images. So it means that the third one is not a function. So the functions are I and II. When we look through the options, we can see that the correct option is option C, I and II only.